In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add interior photos to Google Business Profile. If you want potential customers to get a better feel for your space before they visit, adding clear interior photos to your Google Business Profile is a great way to do it. Interior photos can help people understand your layout, atmosphere, seating, decor, or overall environment, and that can make your business look more welcoming and professional. To get started, go to your Google Business Profile and make sure you're signed in with the Google account that actually manages the business. This part is important because if you're logged into the wrong account, you may not see the editing options you need. Once you're signed in, go to Google Search and search for your business name directly. When your business profile appears, you should see your management panel connected to the listing. This is where you can make updates to your profile, including adding photos. From there, click the Add Photo button, or in some cases, the Photos option. Google's layout can vary slightly depending on the account or interface version, but either option will take you to the area where you can upload images to your profile. Next, look for the photo category options and select Interior if that category is available. Choosing the correct category helps Google understand what kind of image you're uploading, and it also helps organize your profile so customers can browse your photos more easily. Now it's time to upload your images. You can either drag and drop the photos from your computer into the upload window, or click to browse and select them manually. After choosing your images, click Upload and wait for the process to finish. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a few moments. As a quick tip, make sure the interior photos you upload are bright, in focus, and show your space clearly. It's also important that your files are in JPG or PNG format, since those are the supported image types mentioned for this process. Clean, well-lit photos generally create a stronger first impression and can help your listing stand out. After the upload is complete, your photos may take a little time to appear publicly on your profile, so don't worry if you don't see them instantly. Google may need a short review or processing period before they become visible. And that's it. Once your interior photos are uploaded, your Google Business Profile will give customers a more complete view of your business before they ever walk through the door.